Looking for a small plunger for car dents? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 small plunger for car dents available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect car dents for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 9 on our list. We have the Arisd Paintless Dent Repair Puller Kit. The fact that this ARISD dent puller type can be used on flat surfaces other than cars, such as refrigerators, motorbike bodies, and washing machines, makes it our top overall dent repair kit. It is capable of repairing all types of dents and dings. Also see 2021's top 5 aluminum floor jacks. This dent puller will use a T-puller bar, which is similar to a hammer and gives a more effective hold while also being extremely durable. The bar is designed in such a way that it may be disassembled into a T-bar for even greater versatility. Overall, this is a long-lasting dent puller with rubber and plastic tabs constructed of robust high-carbon stainless steel. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 8 on our list, we have the U4,333,093,100 most durable suction cup dent puller. This U-dent puller is designed to ensure that it will be a long time before you need a replacement, as it features a durable aluminum handle, impact-resistant housing, and a high-quality rubber seal. The 4.7-inch suction cup diameter is also ideal when dealing with medium to large dents, and this top-rated dent puller also ensures that repairing dents will be 100% eco-friendly. The grip is perfect to ensure easy dent pulling, and it will allow you to use the dent puller for other things such as lifting different material like metal sheets and glass. This versatility is what you need in the best automotive dent pullers. If color matters to you, this dent puller will be perfect for you, as you get to choose between black and silver. At number 7 on our list, we have the Super PDR K1 Best Puller for Small Dent. For the car owners looking for the best dent puller for small dents that comes at a great price tag, this model by Super PDR will be a great pick. It comes with just a right tab size for even the tiniest dents. The company makes it with 6 different size tabs to suit different situations and it also allows you to adjust the size according to the dent you are dealing with. Using it is quite straightforward, as all you need to do is align the hole in the middle of the bridge and pull. And it has a strong and comfortable knob grip to make dent pulling even easier for you. At number 6 on our list, we have the Bkang PDR05 Paintless Dent Repair Kit. If you are on the market for the best paintless dent repair kit, the Bkang PDR05 is unbeatable, as it comes with everything you will need to quickly repair dents and dings. And this also makes this more versatile and ideal for various applications. With this kit, you get a versatile and more powerful 2-in-1 slide hammer that will work with the glue. There are also various tabs to repair all kinds of dents regardless of the size or depth. To ensure that you do not worsen the situation when trying to repair the dents, this dent puller will include soft silicone material on the base. This material makes it more paint-friendly. Besides making dent pulling quick and easy, the kit is straightforward to clean to ensure you will not have a lot to do afterward. At number 5 on our list, we have the Glisten 45-piece CSPDR kit. For a 45-piece dent puller kit, the Glisten 45-piece CSPDR kit is quite affordable, and you can hence be confident that this kit will give you excellent value for cash. With this kit, you get lots of tabs that include 5 for the dent bridge kit and 16 for the dent lifter. Because the tabs come in various sizes, this kit will also be perfect for wide applications. Using this paintless dent puller is also straightforward, and anyone can lift out dents effortless. With the padded rubber feet on the dent puller, it will also be more friendly to paint to ensure you not need to deal with scratches afterward. If you are dealing with more problematic dents and dings, the nice glue gun and extra sticky glue will be very useful. At number 4 on our list, we have the Autopro 48 PCS PDR kit with 48 PCS. With up to 48 different pieces, this is a more comprehensive kit that comes with more pieces than most others on our dent puller review. And what this means is that it will be ideal for a wide variety of uses. Beside the higher piece count, every component is the kit is well made for good and long-lasting service. However, the professional and ergonomic design of the dent lifter and dent bridge puller is what many users will love. Both will make the job faster and much easier for you. With the high-quality rubber on all parts that are in contact with the car paint, this kit will be very effective at protecting the original paint job. Other things that make this an amazing kit include the nice glue gun that is designed to withstand high temperatures and extra sticky glue sticks. At number 3 on our list, we have the Ariz 2,699,023,172 Perfect Design PDR Kit. The perfectly designed Ariz 2,699,023,172 will be perfect for working on almost any dent size. And this is because the bottom will extend for larger distances to accommodate larger dents. Better yet, the bottom also includes a soft silicone material that will make the dent puller more paint-friendly. Versatility is guaranteed with this dent puller as it will come with 16 different tab sizes and shapes, which are designed to work on different kinds of dents. Besides vehicles, this dent puller will also be effective on motorcycle and various other surfaces. At number 2 on our list, we have the Mainlord 2,699,023,120, ideal for home de-repair. For D'ers looking for something highly effective at pulling out dents and cost-effective, the Mainlord 2,699,023,120. Better yet, it will also save you unnecessary trips to the auto body repair shop. The dent puller is well built and with an ergonomic design that will make it easy for user to get the perfect grip. Because the paintless T-bar dent puller is made from a high-quality stainless steel material, it will offer long-lasting service. Also, the dent puller will have soft and high-quality rubber in all parts that will come in contact with the vehicle surface to protect the paint from chipping. This dent puller will be useful for various other applications besides dent pulling, such as removing dents from other metal surfaces such as motorcycles. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the U5,864,307,045, environment-friendly. For the environment-conscious car owners, this U-dent puller will be a perfect choice as it is completely eco-friendly given that you will not need to use any chemical or paint. The company also makes this dent puller kit for a wide range of applications. And it will be very useful to have around as it comes in handy for various other uses besides pulling car dents. It is a complete kit with several items that include a bridge dent puller, 5-piece glue tabs and hot melt glue gun. Hence, you will not need to buy anything else to use it as it has everything you need. Other than the dent removal, the product is useful in hail damages and car door ding paint-less repairs in no time. And this is also a quick and easy to use dent puller that should only take a few minutes to repair dents. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.